But yeah, it just gave gifted, talented school uniform fit, and I was like, no. I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know the reasons why we both can't take it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl B, and I am back with another try on haul. And before we get into today's video, I wanted to go ahead and say thank you for tuning in. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If it is your first time here, welcome. I hope you stick around, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Feel me? Okay, so today's video is going to be another try on haul, and it's going to be another work inspired try on haul with summer friendly looks. I picked up from Banana Republic factory or outlet, whichever it is. I got a ton. I'm lying, not a ton. I got a few work friendly pieces in my last express haul. If you haven't seen that, try it out. I'll link it up here. But in that haul, I was kind of saying how I wanted to push in the envelope a little bit, wearing shorts, you know, skirts and stuff like that, because one, it's really cute, and I enjoy looking cute on my way to work. Like at work, ain't nobody at work, but on my way to work, you see some really, you know, good looking people, and you know, you just want to look your best. Not that you know, whatever. But yeah, so today's haul is going to be another work friendly haul, this time from Banana Republic outlet or Banana Republic factory. I think it's factory. So let's jump right into it. So first up, we have these linen cotton blend Bermuda shorts in the powder clay color, and I think these are really cute. Like, I love these. These were the first pair of shorts, and I was like, immediately yes. These are super cute. I got these in a size 6. They fall a little bit longer than the ones that I got from Express, but I just feel like they're so form-fitting. Now, depending what I eat, my belly will be budging. But look how the back looks. Like, the back looks so cute. Like, it's really cute. It's giving professional. I love, like, the print of it. It's like that tweed. I think that's the correct terminology for that type of pattern, but like the tweed print. And I think it's really cute. The only thing I will say is, though it says it's a linen cotton blend, it feels a little bit like, you know, that itchy feeling that you get with wool. That's what this here feels like. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it really does. But I'll overlook that because it's super cute. And it's real professional. Only thing is, I would wear like probably some shorts or something under it just to make it less uncomfortable. But these I got in a size 6, and yeah, I got these in a size 6 and they fit okay. But it begs the question, if I come back from lunch and have some, you know, chipotles, will these still fit? We're gonna find out, because these I am definitely keeping. They're so cute. I got these shorts in one more color, so I'm gonna come back and try those on. Okay, you guys, so next up we have the linen cotton blend Bermuda shorts, and this time we have it in the color flax. So this is more of like a tan color, and again, I love it. This one feels a little bit looser than the Potter's Clay one, so it may be because of the type of material. Additionally, this one isn't as itchy. But it's cute. I still love the other color a little bit better, but this one is cute too. Here we go with the back. Again, this is a size 6 as well. I love the pockets, you know. I don't know, I'm a pocket girl. It just gives me something to do with my hands, because if I don't have pockets, I just don't know what to do with myself. So pockets, yeah, pockets are our friends. All in all, I love these shorts in both colors. And again, this one was on sale too. I'll enter it on the screen because I really don't remember, and I don't want to tell you guys the wrong thing. I will link everything that I tried on today down in the description box, because it's just that great. If you haven't, I've reviewed Banana Republic's basic tees, I think during the winter, and they were amazing. So this, yeah, Banana Republic is just pretty dope. But yeah, I love these shorts, and I think they're super cute. 10 out of 10 will recommend. Now, the issue is, I was on a linen craze, so I got another item that's pretty much the same color. So I can't keep both. So I need y'all advice on which one to keep. So here we have the linen cotton blend herringbone midi skirt, and I think this is cute. But like I said, this is in the same flax color as the shorts. So yeah, I can't keep both. But I feel like this one gives more of a grown woman going to work vibes. The only thing that's throwing me off is the slit. Like the slit is a little high. In the front at that to be for work, but it's cute. It has the pockets that we love, and yeah, this is the back. And again, I think it's cute. It makes my derriere look nice, period. But yeah, I just don't know if I like the shorts better or the skirt better. Like, I love the shorts, but I feel like this skirt could be worn in the fall with like some nice riding boots. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I love it. This was in a size 6 as well. All the bottoms that I got, I purchased in a size 6. I was playing Russian roulette, but it worked out. Reference, I'm about 5'7.5", and it comes to right below my knee. So I think that's a good length. Again, the split is throwing me off, but like I said, I'm pushing the envelope a little bit. So yeah, this is definitely a look for the fall, with a cognac belt and some shoes. Cognac shoes, of course, because I love when the belt and the shoes match. This would be a vibe. You could even do black, but yeah, I'm more of a warm browns kind of girl. But yeah, so this top is the Slub Blouse in the preppy navy in a size medium, and this is a cute top. It's really soft. It's very light. Just want you guys to see the texture. I don't know how to describe it, but it is a cute top. I felt like I needed more button-up blouses, but ones that weren't as heavy as the Portofino that I normally get, and I feel like this kind of works. Maybe a little bit too hot for today. But you know, once we get into later August, when it gets a little bit cooler, I definitely think it will work. And this blouse, I think I paid like $22 for. I'm not sure. I will go ahead and link it on the screen so you guys know how much it was. But yeah, this one is really cute and it fits really well. Like, I was a little bit nervous because in my last Banana Republic haul, the medium were too big for me, but this one is just perfect. And I really do think this looks great on me. I think it's perfect for work. And again, the shirt skirt combo is definitely doing it for me. Let me know what you guys think. So like I said, I have to make the decision between the flax shorts or this here skirt. Yeah, but additionally, I have another decision to make, because basically when I like something, I get it in every color. They say that's a toxic trait, but I think that's more of a strategy step, because it's like, if you know you like it, why not get it in more colors and more variety so you don't have to worry about it in the future. That's just me, but yeah. Let me show you the other color in this skirt that I got. Okay, y'all, so here goes the skirt in the ember color, and yeah, the flax skirt is going back. So aside from me really loving this ember color, when I was looking back at the flax skirt on camera, it gave very much uniform. Especially with that blue shirt. I mean, it's still cute and appropriate for work, because that is a nice combo to wear to work. But yeah, it just gave gifted, talented school uniform fit. And I was like, no. And then once I tried this skirt on, I was like, oh yeah, the color, I need to add some color into my life. And I think this would be the perfect way to do that. So we have the ember skirt here, and then the Slub Blouse in the white color. Tell me if you guys agree. Again, I'm a little bit worried about the slit in the front, but like, nobody needs to be talking to me while I'm sitting down at my desk. Like, catch me walking down the, the aisle. But this is cute. This is in a 6 as well. This one is a little bit snug compared to the flax colored one, so I definitely see the difference in the material that was used. But again, I still love this one. I think this one is really adorable. I could wear this one in the fall as well with some tights and some booties. And yeah, it is a freaking vibe. So this is a size 6, like the other bottoms. The top is a medium, like the navy colored one. And yeah, I love it. Another bonus is that this skirt was actually maybe $20 less than the flax colored one. So yeah, that just helped with my decision. So I just want to spin so you guys can see how it looks in the back. Again, I think it gives me a nice little shape, but it's not too much, and I think that's what I'm going for these days. Like, I don't want my attire to be like super tight or super short, or you know, just not really professional. And I think these pieces definitely do that for me. And I got 2 other items, but they're accessory pieces, so let me just show you that. I hope you guys can see it, but first up is this chain with my initial on it. And I love everything with B's these days, because B is for blessed, B is for B is for bands, just all the good things that come with the letter B is what these here represent. So yeah, this is this here. I can't remember how much it was less than $20, so that's pretty much where I got it. And then I'm all about my accessories. Like I said, I love rings. I love like rings on every finger. So then I got this ring in a size 6, and I just think it's like a cute little plain ring. It's giving wedding vibes, but yeah, I think it's just so cute. Excuse my nails, but it's just so cute and simple, and I'll love to throw this on with my other rings. I love having a ring on every finger. So that, you guys, pretty much wraps up today's video. Let me know which items were your favorite. I still stand by the Potter's clay colored shorts, Bermuda shorts. That's my favorite. The most uncomfortable, definitely, but still I don't know, it looks the best to me, and I think that's another item that I could transition into the fall. And then this skirt here, I just love the color of it. Yeah, I just love the color of it. I love everything about it. I might actually wear this tomorrow. We shall see. But that's everything. Let me know down in the comments which one was actually your favorite. Tell me if you think I'm making the right decision by keeping the shorts and not the skirt. I think I am, but I want to hear you guys' opinion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope to catch you guys in my next video. And if you made it to the end, before we close out, if you made it to the end, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you'll love it here. We have so much great content. So yeah, like, stay for a while. Stay for a good time. But yeah, that's about it. Again, thank you for watching my video, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.